Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in again on another session of the Closing Bell. I am Mr.Stacks, and I appreciate everybody taking the time to join me this afternoon. Right now it is 2:28 p.m. as we approach the end of the market today. It is September the 8th, Wednesday, and it's been a fun trading day. For all you new viewers, trying to put y'all down, put y'all in the know as to how we make some money here in the market. We're trying to, call out these pre-breakout stocks, trying to get on some shares before they actually take off, moon, breakout, whatever you want to call it. We're trying to get it on the low and ride it to the high. And if that's something you want to know about, things you want to learn on how we do these strategies, subscribe, hit the notification bell, be in the know every time I release one of the videos. But y'all already know how we do about this time. I hate to sound like a broken record. But right now, we know it's been fun. We had an exciting day. A lot of green in the market today, so we're back on the upside today, and that's always a good thing. And I have some of our top picks up here on the charts right now that I wanted to cover. I know some of y'all probably, wanted to get an update on what's been happening. I can't cover something every day as far as every single stock, so I kind of try to rotate through them. But we're going back to some of our favorites that we talked about a few days back. They were more on the downside the last few days, but they started to have a little kick up today, and volume and everything starting to increase. So we're going to start following these again as we end the week here, or move towards the end of the week. But right now we have some big movers here, y'all. It's been real fun trading. And right now I got 4 up here on the charts. We have BBIG we're going to cover. I have ANY, which is any Sphere 3D. We're picking up GSAT again, Global Star, and I'm also going to fill y'all in on IPHA, which is in it, Pharma, ADR, it's whatever that is. It's an ADR stock. But we have one more I also wanted to talk about that we're going to touch base on here in a few, and that's going to be CEI. This one's more on the lower cost level. It's usually traded. It's been traded under $1, and I don't usually trade too many stocks under $1. I don't really see a lot of upside most of the time. They only hit certain levels and end up turning around and going back to the downside there. But off the back, I wanted to cover BBIG, be big. Yeah, you already know we're doing it big here. But Vinco Ventures, man, we've had some big moves today, mostly through the pre-market. We've kind of been consolidating since the pop-up this morning, hitting a high of about 12.49, as you can see here. But you can see yesterday, we're at a low of like almost $7, a little under 7. I think we're closer to like 6 something, in the high $6 range. But towards the end of the market, as I said this morning, we pumped up and we hit about $11 or so. We've kind of been moving in this range here since. We've kind of just been moving sideways throughout the day, a little ups and downs, hitting a high and coming back down, riding out that 21-day moving average. Do you think that we're going to be moving higher anytime soon? Yeah, I'm thinking we are. I would like to think we are. For those of y'all that aren't familiar with what's this stock been doing. But looking at the daily here, I know y'all see a lot of lines drawn. These are just certain levels that we've hit and used as support or resistance in the past. As far as the green line here, this is my buy point in case we ever come back down. This is where I would look to be buying and scooping up shares. If we break below this level, though, I'll be looking at this stock will be looking a little more bearish to me. So anything below this dollar here is considered a bearish, stock. So I would probably be trading it at that time. But as long as we can stay above this $6 range here, I'm going to probably be playing with it in and out as we hit highs and come back down. We're looking for a short squeeze as a short squeeze candidate. I know a lot of people have been talking about it. It's been out there. It's been the talk in the forums and these talk chats and things like that. Everybody's, got the gossip. That's the rumor. We're supposed to be squeezing up another SPRT, hitting a high of $40 to $50. Is that something we're going to be doing here? Is that next to come for BBIG? I mean, I don't know. We've been hitting highs day to day here, give or take, and hitting a high of $12.49 today, even though we're looking to be in the red right now, coming back down to about $11. I still don't think it's over as we're holding support on the trend line here. But looking into a more of a shorter term, the 4-hour, we're hitting levels. We're still pushing on that uptrend on the 4-hour. Even though we're in a red candle, we're still not falling below the previous candle, which is always a good thing. Still feeling a little bullish here on the upside, but we are holding resistance on this trend line here. You see on the 4-hour, as I drew it from the low side all the way down where we're touching as support here. We bounced on it there. We broke through it. Pushed back up, hitting resistance, hitting resistance, hitting resistance, hitting resistance. We need to break through this trend line in order to continue to move up. So our highs right now is at 1249, but if we're going to break out a trend in order for us to squeeze, as far as seeing a squeeze, an actual short squeeze, we need to break through this trend line here, y'all. So that's what we're looking to do. If you are looking to play with this stock and get in on some shares, maybe we can come down to about 1040 to 1050. That would probably be a good buy point. I'm not sure if we'll come down any lower because there's a lot of momentum, a lot of attention on this stock right now, and they're kind of keeping it pumping. So until that lets up, that's probably when we'll start to see some more downside pressure. But I know they're trying to pump it up before people start taking profits. Everybody feels that short squeezes, is near. So we're all waiting, holding shares. Hopefully it happens. And all I can say is plan your ins and plan your outs. If y'all looking to make money, always have a plan ahead as far as how you're trading your position there, and just hopefully you can make some money on this, y'all. I know I'm excited. I'm holding it down. I got a few hundred shares in here. Been riding it up since $6. We're already almost doubling our money, and I'm feeling good, So let's keep it going, and we're looking to have a successful week here. Stock number 2, we have A&Y, Sphere 3D. Yeah, we've seen some recovery today. I know we've hit a low, and everybody's been stressing, is this stock, a next meme stock? Is it not? Is it worth, trading? Is it not? Is it going to be something successful about this company? What are they doing? Are they merging? Are they partnership? Are they developing new product? I don't know what they're doing, but they're moving. The price is moving, y'all. And that's all that seems to matter right now. If you don't know about what the company's doing, do your homework, man. Check out the website. That's kind of how I filled myself in as to what they're doing. They do have a partnership coming or a merger agreement with some of these Bitcoin mining companies. They do also have some other cool things as far as their technology. As far as y'all, me schooling y'all and all that stuff. That's something y'all either have to check out one of the videos I posted on A&Y, or just look up their website, man, and fill yourself in. If this is something you want to hold down on a long term, you'll know everything you need to know if they're going to be doing something for the future, man. But all I know is the price has been moving today. We hit a high, as you can see, of $7.44 not that long ago, and we're holding support around $7. We finally broke out earlier today, around 1 o'clock or so, and we've been holding support here, and it's been fun. I'm feeling excited. Hopefully we can hit these all-time highs around $12 soon. But I do have a trend drawn here. We're seeing that resistance level here. So right now I do have the bottom of the trend and the top of the trend where we've been kind of trading within that range there. So we're kind of following trend. I'm still feeling bullish on A&Y. But as you can see, we do have a history behind this stock. Bottoming out then, and we're coming all the way down over here. So, I'm feeling good about this stock, y'all. So, hopefully, we can hold that trend. We're looking to push up. If we can break it, we're going to be hitting these all-time highs. But for right now, I don't want to fall below the trend is what I'm saying. We're holding support on the 50-day moving average here, and we're starting to push back up here on the 4-hour. So, that's a good thing. I did have a short-term trend that was also drawn that I was following earlier today. And as you can see, following that trend, and we broke out today, so that's cool, right? We were showing that resistance earlier, and then finally we hit it again, and we broke out, and now we're holding support on the higher level of the $7 mark. And yeah, I'm looking to push higher. This one seems to move really fast once it gets going, so that's a good thing. If we can keep it going, we can keep this price moving too. But this has been fun. If y'all trying to trade it, wait for it to come back down closer to maybe $6. That would be a good time to scoop up some of these shares, $6.50, if not, maybe $6.92. As you can see on the 30-minute, we do see a little bit of downward pressure here. So we'll have to see how this plays out. But if it does break down to the downside, as you can see, we do have some previous candles holding around that $7 mark, $6.94, $6.95. So if y'all looking to play on this stock here, that might be a good buy point. But always, wait to see if we're going to be pushing back up. If we're closing above the VWAP and moving to the upside, then that would be a good indication that we're starting to move higher. But you got to kind of keep a close eye, because sometimes these things can reverse. It's never a guarantee. So just if y'all don't know how we're doing with A&Y, check out some of the videos. I'm going to attach them below, and y'all can fill yourself in as to how we've been following this stock here. But it's been fun, man. It's been fun, and we're still riding it out. Just so y'all know, I'm sorry. A&Y, see, I'm still holding a few hundred positions. Not a big position there, but we're doing all right. But we're going to continue to watch this one here, and we're going to continue to play it out. All right, y'all. Stock number 3, GSAT, Global Star. Man, this one has some good moves today. As you can see, we're still pumping a little bit here, hitting the high of that 274. I believe we had a high of around like 265 or something like that. We broke through that earlier and we hit another high. This ain't the all-time high, but you know, we still got to break through close to that $3 to hit that all-time high. But they're supposedly having an Apple deal. They're doing a deal with Apple. Some of their satellite technology will be, you know, built into some of Apple's phones. I'm not sure if it's their iPhones or which phone. I don't know. It's a phone, you know, phone technology, satellite. You know, able to do like emergency calls and things like that without having to have like an account maybe or a signal or whatever it is, you know. But you can use the phone, link up to a satellite, and if you need to have an emergency, you need some assistance, you need to call someone, well, you'll be able to be connected. And that's the gossip right now. That's what they're doing. This is what's driving up the price. And I thought of trading this stock. You know, I was looking at it earlier. It was looking a little appetizing, but I was hoping it came back down to about $2.18 or so. And it was holding around 228, 225. I was seeing it. I thought of buying in. I was like, nah, just let it come down a little lower. But it didn't. So it was about right here. So I was hoping it came down around here somewhere earlier. But it didn't. So I mean, hey y'all, you know, it is what it is. We can't win them all, but right now I just wanted to break it down as to how I'm looking at the stock and what we're looking for. If you are looking to get in or get out, what's a good time to do that? Right now we may be showing a little pullback here, hitting the high of 274. We are seeing a lot of resistance right here. So keep an eye on this, y'all, because we may start pulling back even lower when people may start taking profits. We're already heading towards the end of the market. And we've already seen that resistance level. If you're looking to take the long ride, well, let's see where we can pick up some shares in. If people are looking to get back in this stock, I would wait for it to come down at least at 230. If we can come back down to 230, 235, this will be a better area to get in here. But as you can see here on the 30-minute, we're seeing that resistance. We weren't able to break the previous candle high. So if we start to break below 255, you know, we just watch out. We might start pouring down. But anyone looking to get in, y'all, or scooping up some more shares, you trying to average out or whatever it is, 235 is a good level, or even 222. Just kind of follow it through, see how it plays out here. Looking at the 4 hour, we're looking around, you know, 225. We're still seeing, you know, good green on the 4 hour, so I wouldn't worry too much. We still may continue to push higher, but we may come down and test this VWAP also before we do, so just keep that in mind. If we do come down, hold around the VWAP. 247 will be the next level if you're looking to ride up on a short term there. But just keep your eyes on it, y'all. Add it to the watch list if not already on there. But GSAT, man, make some good moves today. Just luckily we weren't able to. I mean, not luckily. Luckily, some people were able to trade it. I myself wasn't lucky. But next time around, you know, we'll look to get in on this one here. We're seeing some move on ANY, a little down break, but I'm not worried. Let's go ahead and move along here. IPHA, Innit Pharma. This one here moves pretty quick. Not a lot of attention. This one doesn't have too much volume that, you know, consistently gets poured into this stock. But right now, you know, 86% above our daily average, or about our daily average. I'm sorry. But we did hit a high of 650, you know, earlier this morning. We've already come back down testing that VWAP, but I'm sure we're going to be testing this level again pretty soon. As you can see on the 1 hour, you know, I do have a level drawn around $9 or so. So if we do break through the 670, 650 or so, yeah, we're looking to push all the way back up to about $9. I mean, it's going to happen. We're trending up here little by little. They got some big news coming with some of their cancer treatment. They're supposed to be releasing, I believe, like on the 17th. There's like a conference a lot of these pharmaceutical companies are involved in, and a lot of them are going to break down some of their updates as to some of their treatments, their trial periods, things like that. But they're going to provide us with the progress behind it. And, you know, I'm sure a lot of these companies are going to be doing some big things, and I'm sure they got some good news as far as why everybody's anticipating the move on the price here. But as you can see, even on the 4 hour, we're little by little, we're trending up, trending up, trending up. We're seeing that resistance. You know, I traded this already, y'all. I bought in when it dropped from that $12 that day. It came down, hit a low. I bought in. I rode it all the way up here to $8, and I sold. Bam. Seen that resistance, sold out. This was what, Friday? Yeah. This was on Friday. And look, we can do it again. You know, we already came back down. We're hitting that level again. So let's buy back in. Let's just ride it back up, y'all. We can get all the way up here. We got that high of $12. They got news coming out here in about a week. Cancer treatment. I forget which kind of cancer it is. I mean, check it out though. Read the news. Read the articles. You know, fill yourself in. This company's doing big things. I think they got some real good things coming. And if y'all looking to make some money, you know, you can ride it all the way up to $12 if we can break through this $9 mark. You know, that's a good upside. $6. That's doubling your money right now. On the downside, all right, we break down 5, maybe 4. I doubt we'll fall this far below, you know. That's a pretty far drop. Something would have to kill the stock for it to come all the way back down. So right now I'm feeling good. Holding right here. Man, come on, y'all. That's a no-brainer. Just get in the know, y'all. IPHA, this one's going to be moving soon, I promise you. Last stock of the day, though, before we end the session here, kind of just wanted to cover CEI. I know this is a penny stock, under $1. I don't usually like to play with the cents too much, but I know there's a couple I've played with before. Zama's one, Ship. I don't know, there's a couple, CRTM or whatever it's called. But yeah, these ones here, this one seems to have been drawing in a lot of attention over the last few days. You even look at the volume, 120 million shares traded today, and this is consistent for about over a week now. We've already come though from a low, as you can see, of about 32 cents. We've already tripled pretty much, almost quadrupled cents. And this was just, you know, in August. But they got some new technology as far as the clean energy technology or something that they're partnering with. I'm not sure all the details behind it, but I mean, for them to be doubling up, they're either just people just buying it out, or they're actually got some good things coming here. But you know, looking to trade this stock, we've already come back down, hitting that trend around 95 cents, having a high of about $1.03. Y'all want to get in, you know, you got about a 10-cent ride. We can continue pushing up. I don't believe there's an all-time high on this stock. Yeah, I don't think that's right. It's a gazillion dollars or yeah, 231,000. Yeah, I don't think that's right. Anyways, y'all, just want to watch. If y'all looking to get out, watch that 103 level. Seeing that resistance, that's where you'd be taking profits. We've been moving sideways since. A lot of resistance right here. Is that it for this stock? It's hard to say. I can't really see the daily. I'll have to check out my Webull, maybe see what's going on really on that one. But right now we're pushing down on that trend. You see the trend line? If we break through that trend line though, we're gonna come all the way back down to about 80 cents. If y'all looking to trade at 80 cents, that sounds like a good price to me. So we'll be looking to scoop up some shares right there. I'm sure we'll ride it up soon again, hitting these highs. I know that's not really expensive. Not sure as far as the value behind this company itself, but yeah, it's been a lot of attention here, and this looks like a good trading stock. If you're looking to get in at a cheap price and get a few hundred shares, you know, you can get 100 shares for $95. You know, can't go wrong. But this looks fun, man. So we're gonna see how this one plays out. Also, I'll fill y'all in if we hold this level. If we come back down, we're looking to get in, you know, closer to 85 cent range, give or take. But that's how we're gonna play these, y'all. That's how we're gonna end the day. Hopefully I filled y'all in on a little something. I know it's kind of a little tiring, you know, running through all these things towards the end of the day, but I gotta put you in the know. If y'all trying to make money, you gotta do a little, you know, a little research, a little homework. You gotta listen a little bit, you know, just kind of dig around, man. Any information is good information, as long as it isn't false information, right? But we're gonna try to make some money, y'all. We up on a lot of these shares, just trying to figure out if we're gonna continue to push up or we're gonna come down. But as long as we're up, we're up. So we're gonna stay that way. We're gonna stay profitable, and we're gonna continue dropping these videos for y'all. But let me know what y'all think. Y'all, you know, digging the videos. Thumbs up has always helped the channel here. But let me know y'all's thoughts, y'all's comments below. Please join the Discord also if y'all want to chat live and do a little bit of live trading. We'll let you know how we're doing in there also. But we'll catch up again in the morning session, y'all, and we'll speak with y'all then. Peace out.